Entertainment includes movies, concerts, shows, performances, and festivals. These are fun activities people enjoy watching or attending. Each type offers different experiences for relaxation and enjoyment. Movies are films watched in theaters or at home. People go to movie theaters for a big screen experience with surround sound. At home, families watch movies on television or streaming services. Concerts are live music performances by artists and bands. Fans gather in large venues to hear their favorite songs performed live. Concerts create excitement with powerful music and lights. Shows are theatrical performances and live acts on stage. These include plays, musicals, and comedy shows. Actors perform stories or songs for the audience in theaters. Performances are artistic displays like dance, mime, and circus acts. Dancers move to music, mime artists tell stories without words, and circus performers do acrobatics and tricks. Festivals are celebrations with music, food, and cultural events. People gather outdoors for entertainment, local foods, and community activities over several days. Movie theater is the building where films are shown on large screens. Concert hall is the venue designed for live music performances with excellent sound quality. Theater stage is the platform where actors perform live shows. Festival grounds are the outdoor areas hosting festival events and celebrations. Tickets are papers or digital passes needed to enter entertainment events. Standing room refers to areas where people watch performances without assigned seats. Entertainment includes movies, concerts, shows, performances, and festivals. Each type offers unique experiences. Now you know the main types of entertainment and important vocabulary.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.